Hello everyone, it's Fairiekin. Now today's video is a little bit different. It's gonna be a little bit until I upload my next doll video because I'm a little bit behind schedule. But don't tell anyone that I told you or I'll get fired! Recently, my friend Laurel, or Hobknobcreations on YouTube and Instagram, posted this little tutorial on how to make witch hats, which is adorable by the way, go look at it. I'll put a link in the description, and at the end of the video she did a little giveaway. Much to my satisfaction, I was able to snatch one of the hats. And this morning, the package came in. Immediately, it was bigger than I expected because, as far as I knew, she only sent me the hat. However, on further inspection, I was very mistaken, so let's move forward and open the package. Thankfully, she has labeled the top of it so that I'm not a big dum-dum and open it at the wrong side. When I first opened it, I was met with a handwritten letter by Laurel. And I read it off camera because, you know, privacy is important. But there's a wax seal on it. It's so fancy. How did you know that I also am a nerd for handwritten letters, and I haven't done that in a really long time, and I really appreciate it. The letter was really sweet, and I'm gonna have a whole breakdown. Breakdowns aside, in this little plastic container I assumed was the hat, so I saved that for last. At the bottom there were these fun, almost blow-pop type suckers. There's a grape one and a cherry one, and I've never seen these types of suckers before. However, the cherry one tastes like an actual cherry. I've never had a candy that actually tastes like the fruit that it's trying to replicate, and it's magical. Thank you, I appreciate it very much. She also included these holographic Halloween-themed stickers, which one of them promptly went on to the back of my laptop. And she also included some washi tape. Because who doesn't freaking love washi tape? It's the best. Honestly, Laurel, you didn't have to include all of these things, but I really appreciate it. It was such a welcome brightening to my day. And honestly, the rest of my week. Thank you so much. Now on to the fun part. So I opened the little plastic thing, and what do we have inside? The hat! She sent me two? Oh! It's so cute! She sent me two pieces, a hat and a skirt, and I honestly can't express how much I appreciate this. You can tell that there's a lot of love and care put into this, and it's so nice to have nice people in the community. There's been some sketchy things in the doll community recently, and I really can't thank you enough. And oddly, I actually own a skirt just like this in my size, so obviously it's gonna go on my mini-me doll. Now pretty soon my mini-me is gonna get some new hair because Mini Hava's hair is falling off. Like, it's actually, every time I pick them up, more hair falls off. So pretty soon we're gonna have a little bit of a rebranding because after I fix their hair, I'm gonna have to take new pictures and have new profile pictures, which is very exciting. But yeah, there's gonna be some changes coming to the channel soon. And also, I went out and took pictures of my mini-me in their new outfit, and they took a nosedive into the concrete, and part of their nose chipped off. So I have to redo part of their face up. Anyway, look at how cute the hat is. Look at that freaking craftsmanship. And the skirt. I can't even. So anyway, I hope this tied some of you over until my next doll video. But yeah, that'll be coming out soon, I promise, like sometime, hopefully within the next 2 weeks, but I might be lying to all of your faces. A little behind schedule because I'm working multiple jobs right now. I don't know who needs to hear this, but listen, you have worked and fought really hard to live in the body that you live in, and that's pretty dang cool. Your body can do cool things, and sometimes it's kind of hard to appreciate that, but I just want you to know that you're very important. Thank you for joining me. Your feelings are valid. Please love yourself. Okay, bye. 12 minutes? 12 minutes of audio for a 2-minute video. That's too much.